Dream, 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 dream when I want you in my arms, when I want you and all your charms whenever I want you. All I have to do is dream, 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 dream when I feel blue in the night and I need you to hold me tight whenever I want you. All I have to do.
Hello? 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 Is anyone there? Hello? Who's there? Who is it? Smiling Timmy? What are you doing here? Hello. How much are you willing to help, Cracker A? With animosity towards your quiet partner, Smiling Timmy? Do you have enough feelings to save your damaged hands? Smiling Timmy, you've whispered in their ears for years, and now I whisper in yours. You have 60 minutes to speak or your partner will die. Can you put the pain behind you and walk away alive? 3 things will bring back your voice. X marks the spot. Make your choice. Live or die. He wants us to work together. He wants you to speak in 60 minutes or I die. Why do I deserve this? What did I do? You're choking me. I know we broke apart, we had troubles, but we're gonna have to work together. First thing we have to do is get out of this freaking chain. Wait a minute. Something fell on my head. Lean forward, back. There's a key. Give me your bandana. I can't reach it. I got it. I got it. I got the key. See? Lock it. What do we do? Check your pockets. I can't find nothing. Let's try for the door. Give me the key. You got the key? It won't open! We have to think!
You know what? Smiling Timmy, Mr. Whisper in my ear, we have 60 minutes or I die because of you. You know what? You're gonna have to speak. Speak, damn it! You're gonna have to speak. Cross X. X marks the spot. There's 3 things that get you to speak.
X marks the spot.
A cigarette and a lighter to speak. Smoke it. Give me a hit, you know. Time of death, you know, what else? Come on, speak. Let's hear it. Come on, chatter. Let's go. Come on, boys box. Come on! No good? Keep looking. How much time? 30 minutes. Keep looking. X. It says drink me. Speak! Come on! Drink! Drink! "15 minutes. 15 minutes and I'm dead! Nothing. Keep looking! We have 2 X's gone. 1 more left. That means this last one has to be good. Something that'll clear your throat, make your vocal cords work. This guy must watch our videos. What do? Look. Chorus. I feel like I'm in a movie! Did we just see something like this the other day? Throw lozenges? Oh, you're gonna give me one? Speak! Come on and speak! 1 minute and 30 seconds left! Come on and speak! A minute! 1 minute! Speak or I'm dead! Una minuto! No hablo inglés! Spanish. Huh? Close enough. Did you try the door?